You need to hear this before any official announcement drops. 2025 might be the moment smart glasses stop being a geek toy and become something people actually wear every day. Stick with me until the end, because I'll explain the single detail that could make or break the whole thing. In the next few minutes, I'll break down rumored display tech, camera improvements, battery realities, price pressure, and the one piece of evidence that tells us Meta is not just experimenting, they're betting big watch to the end. I'll give a short verdict on whether you should actually care. Leaks and reporting suggest the next Ray-Ban Meta glasses might include a small in-lens or monocular-style display that overlays useful info without blocking the world. Think subtle notifications, camera previews, and quick replies. This wouldn't be full-blown AR, more like a heads-up layer integrated into one lens. That's big because it's a practical step toward everyday usage rather than sci-fi spectacle. A small display solves a real adoption problem: usability. If information can appear where you're already looking without pulling out a phone, it becomes genuinely useful for navigation, hands-free replies, and creator previews. That utility is what turns a novelty into a daily tool, but only if it's unobtrusive, fast, and reliable. Today's Ray-Ban models use a 12-megapixel camera that captures solid social clips, but creators want better resolution and cleaner sensors for real content work. An upgraded sensor would immediately shift these glasses from a novelty to a viable tool for everyday creators who need quick, shareable, high-quality footage. Battery life is the single most likely deal breaker. Current models typically manage only a few hours of active use under heavy load, which isn't enough for most people's daily routines. Adding a display increases power draw, so Meta must either dramatically improve efficiency or rethink battery capacity and charging design to keep these wearable all day. This isn't just rumor mill chatter. Executives at Meta have repeatedly signaled that 2025 is pivotal for their smart eyewear roadmap, and public investor commentary references next-generation devices aimed at scaling adoption. When a company frames a year as defining, it usually means product and business bets are aligned behind that timeline. For glasses to replace phones as everyday companions, price matters. High initial prices will limit adoption to early adopters and influencers, not mass markets. Meta needs to balance features with cost, or risk another expensive gadget that only tech obsessives buy. Beyond specs, social norms could shape whether people actually wear AI glasses. Camera glasses trigger privacy and etiquette concerns. If Meta wants mainstream adoption, they must solve trust issues through clear signals, like hardware LED indicators, strong privacy policies, and transparent user controls. The tipping point is simple: consistent utility plus convenience. If glasses reliably notify, translate, capture, and augment without draining your battery or looking weird, people will start slipping them on voluntarily. Otherwise, they'll stay niche fashion tech. Watch until the end for my short verdict on whether current rumors meet that bar. If the reports are true, an in-lens display, notable camera upgrades, and improved power management, then yes, this generation could be the one that pushes smart eyewear toward mainstream use. But if Meta delivers features at high cost with only marginal battery improvements, adoption will stall again. If you want the inside view when these devices actually land, subscribe now and ring that bell. I'll have hands-on coverage, comparisons, and the real-world battery and camera tests you'll want before deciding to buy. Comment below, would you use smart glasses daily or never?